In this video, you'll learn how to enable developer options and USB debugging on your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. By following these steps, you will unlock advanced features that are typically reserved for developers. Start by locating the Settings app on your Pixel device. This app can usually be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled About Phone. This section contains important information about your device. In the About Phone section, look for the entry titled Build Number. You will need to tap on this option multiple times in rapid succession. As you do this, a message will appear on the screen confirming that developer mode has been enabled. If prompted, enter your device's PIN for security purposes. Completing this step means you have successfully unlocked developer options. Next, return to the main settings menu. From there, navigate to the System section. Once you are in the System menu, tap on Developer Options. This area contains various advanced features tailored for developers, so take a moment to scroll through the list and familiarize yourself with the available options. Understanding these features is crucial as you prepare to set up USB debugging. Now, locate the option labeled USB debugging within the Developer Options menu. You will find a toggle switch next to this option. To enable USB debugging, simply turn on the toggle. After doing this, a warning message will appear on your screen. It is important to read this message carefully, as it explains the implications of enabling USB debugging. Confirm that you understand the warning to complete this step. At this point, USB debugging is successfully enabled on your device. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.